Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best PC power supplies on the market, the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 80 Plus Gold 600W. If you're looking for reliable power and efficiency for your gaming rig or workstation, this might just be the perfect choice. Let's start with why this PSU stands out. It boasts 80 Plus Gold certification, ensuring up to 90% energy efficiency. This means less heat and lower electricity bills without compromising on performance. Despite being non-modular, it comes equipped with all the essential connectors: 24-pin main power, 4+4-pin ATX 12 volts, multiple SATA and PCIe connectors, plus peripherals and FDD connectors. Perfect for those who prioritize function over modular cables. Built with high-quality capacitors and a single 120mm dynamic bearing fan, it not only delivers stable power but also does so quietly. The fan operates smoothly, ensuring optimal cooling and minimal noise even under heavy loads. The design is sleek and compact, fitting well into standard ATX cases. Thermaltake has ensured robust build quality, enhancing durability and reliability for long-term use. Thanks to low ripple noise and a range of industry-grade protections like over-power protection and over-voltage protection, your hardware remains safe from unexpected power surges or fluctuations. From user feedback, it's clear that the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 600W is a favorite among enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its reliability over time, as reported by users, underscores its value as a dependable choice for powering high-performance setups. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a robust, efficient, and quietly performing power supply, the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 80 Plus Gold 600W is hard to beat. Whether you're building a new rig or upgrading an existing one, this PSU offers the perfect blend of quality, performance, and reliability. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Until next time, happy gaming and computing.